everyone, it's me Shravika. I'm back. Today we are going to wait for it. Paint my study chair. And you know what? It only needs chalk paints and transfer sheets, and then it will turn into a beautiful chair. Okay, let's get started. We have divided the chair into sections using masking tape. It helped us to paint the chair neatly. We have painted each section with a different color. We have painted the middle with an off-white color. And then we have used a dark shade of blue for one of the sides. And on the opposite side of blue, we've used a bright yellow color. And on the side of yellow, we've used a pretty pink color. And on the last section, we've used a dark purple. Wow, it is already looking so beautiful. My mom helped me to cut the portions from the transfer sheet. We've removed the plastic film before putting it on the chair. We've used a wet sponge to dab it on the transfer sheet. We've removed the wet paper to reveal the print. We've used varnish to seal the project. Wow, this is the final look. And don't forget to like and subscribe.